I'm back with a Luvmehair wig install. And when I tell you guys this is supposed to be a throw on and go wig, everything's ready for you. The knots are bleached, the wig is cut like a throw on and go wig. We about to see what it do, so let's get it. Knots are bleached. Do y'all see them? The knots are bleached. The wig is cut. I might go in and cut it a little more. And the curls is giving popping. So let me show you guys briefly what I got, like what it came with. They gave me a Luvmehair wig comb. I absolutely love a little rat tail comb. It just helps you swoosh. It helps you get in there. Like, stop playing. They gave me a clip. They normally give like an edges brush. I don't see one of those. So gave me a wig cap and then a male belt. So we're supposed to just be able to throw this wig on and go. I love these new units because the inside has like this silicone grip. So it's gonna stay in place. And then it also has an elastic band that's adjustable. I'm nervous. Okay. Super comfy. Oh, wow. Hold on. Oh, wow. So I'm just pulling it on my forehead and I got a big one. I'm about to go out of town. Roll around town. Hold on. Hold on. So this is what it looks like straight out the pack. No, nothing on it. I do think that these areas could be bleached a little more, but I'm not tripping. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna begin taking my fingers and finger combing it to make it bigger, because around here we like big hair. But like, all right, so this is how much shedding I am receiving. Y'all, this wig is cute. I'm not about to do nothing to it. I don't even want to put no product in it today. If I put product in it tomorrow, I'll show you that. But like today, we're good. It's gorgeous. Like I said, if I do decide to put product in it, I will show y'all. But like today, look. I think I like the 28-inch, and this is what it looks like unstretched. Stretched, it goes all the way down. She's cute. And then even if I wanted to put it behind my ear, swoosh my edges right, like, oh yeah, I think it looks really good. I think for this to just be like a throw on and go wig, this is an amazing wig for today. And the fact that I have a flight to catch, this is what we're gonna do. Okay, I think this is gorgeous. It looks so bomb. And honestly, Luvmehair has the best wigs. Real quick, I just want to cut a little layers to frame my face. Since it is a wig, we're just gonna be, it's not like tracks. So I just want to briefly take a bit. This is just going to help it be more cute, more my liking. Mini, because we could cut bangs, but I'm not gonna do that to myself. Already like that better. Oh, way better. But what I want y'all to know is I'm not taking off no length. Still have all the length, but I just want more volume. You just add a bit of layers. Perfect. Oh, you guys, I love it. I would even cut some curly bangs. Should we? I love what I see. I want y'all to know the hair looks gorgeous to me. I think like in the next coming week, I might cut some bangs. I know, some cute little curly bangs, and it'll be like my favorite wig. But I love these curls. Without have done anything but cutting them layers. I'm on my iPhone so y'all can really see. It looks bomb. She's cute. Like if you guys are looking for like an easy throw on and go wig, makes me feel sexy. Okay, yeah, bye.